Everyone, it's me again. Walking na ako guys. Nako, andito na tayo sa ating, yan ang ano guys. The weather is so good. Ayan. So, walking to going out guys. Diba? As I told earlier na it's my schedule today guys na to go market. So, ayan, medyo naka-jacket tayo today guys kasi I feel guys, mainit din talaga. No? To protect din sometimes our skin guys, charis. So yun guys, ang update natin. Walking muna ako guys. Umulan tayo kagabi but ngayon it's very feel so but still good and fine guys, no? Sa gabing di makatulog. Wow, refreshing guys. May hangin. Very fresh air. So, it feels good naman guys while walking. Enjoy the moment. So, I hope kayo dyan, you have a nice day, everyone, and a great day. Yun lang ang update natin guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. See you next again. Bye.